Today we're thrilled to share the big steps Debutify is taking to empower your brand to the next level. We've been working tirelessly to bring you the fastest, most flexible and most optimized theme on the market. This theme will help increase your sales and conversions effortlessly. Introducing Debutify version 7.0. In version 7.0, we've revamped all of our widgets to meet the highest standards. You'll have incredible flexibility to build your brand while keeping it stunning. Made it simple, fast and straightforward so you can focus on what matters most. Selling your products and increasing your revenue and satisfying your customers at the same time. The best part, version 7.0 is perfect for any business, dropshipping, D2C, print on demand, or even digital products. Our advanced and flexible widgets are easy to configure to your needs in any single way. We've also been working on the Debutify theme login portal, our best version yet. It features advanced analytics, the Debutify custom app for detailed metrics, and advanced customization. Now you can enable and disable all of your widgets from the Debutify theme login portal. Plus, we've improved the centralized billing, focusing on simplicity and transparency. But we're not stopping there. We are already planning the Debutify theme version 8.0, where widgets will be moved to the Debutify login portal. This will give you even more control, flexibility, and granularity. In addition, widgets in version 8 will offer real-time analytics on conversions, conversion rates, revenue, and even split testing, and even more as per your needs. And there's more. We'll be introducing the Debutify AI, which will help you with your widget customization, product titles, descriptions, and more. Exciting, right? Well, there's more reasons to be excited. So stay tuned for more updates. Check your emails for weekly release notes as we roll out the new features to provide you with the best experience. If you are also interested, we have a beta program that is being released soon so that you can get the features sooner and help us shape the future of Debutify. We are very excited about the future of Debutify, and we appreciate everyone's support and feedback. We look forward to showing you these new features. Goodbye.